Everybody, welcome to the 13th of June, 2025. I'm Connor McIver. Let's talk about what's happening in the real estate market currently and give you some numbers. What I did is I pulled a daily advent, so the last 24 hours of real estate listings, just to give you an idea. We have one coming soon, somewhere in the neighborhood of 10 new listings have been added to the market for sale. You can find all of these at Santa Clarita openhouses.com. Just a couple different things for buyers out there, something to point out. If in fact you're looking at real estate, do yourselves a favor. You can actually cut the market off at the pass in a way. Look at those properties that might be exceeding your particular price range. Do a little bit of research or have your agent do that dance for you. Thereby, you'll be able to see listings that potentially will entertain a substantially less than listing price offer. That could actually put you ahead of the other folks out there because the sellers of particular listings might have been preparing to do a price reduction, but then you guessed it and you hit them with that offer, including that price reduction that they were thinking about. And then all of a sudden now you get into escrow, so you don't have to face that extra competition. So don't be scared to put those together and to have those values looked at by your real estate agent. They should be doing that kind of research for you anyway. If you're qualified to a certain amount, right now you can see the price changes are happening in the real estate market. Now, these aren't affecting the actual recorded sold prices, so we're not seeing reductions in the actual market overall. We should still see an increase this year, but time will tell on that, depending on the economy and the other factors regarding what's going on in the entire world as far as what's happening on the financial fronts. However, I will tell you that is good advice. Make sure you also reach out to your lender to make sure you get that pre-approval letter that's going to be matching your offering price as well. That is an old school strategy, but it's very valuable. Typically, sellers might see different values on the paper if you're offering less, but qualify for more. That could be maybe a sticking point. So there's no need to go there. And of course, your agent would be able to convey to the seller's agent that you might be qualified for more if you do allow that to be part of the conversation. I'm Connor with Honor. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. This has been your real estate update, June 13th, 2025. We'll see you tomorrow.